Imagine starting your day surrounded by ocean before heading down to your first workshop. Welcome to the ultimate guitar cruise.
Hello everybody, David Tannenbaum here. Some years ago, David Rona contacted me with a pretty crazy idea, which was to hold a classical guitar festival within the confines of an existing cruise ship. It took a while to get my head around that, but I decided to join, and I had a terrific time. I got to know my colleagues Adam Holtzman and Muriel Anderson and others really well. There were concerts every night and masterclasses, lots of dialogue and just talking outside the main frameworks of the festival about music and the guitar and this devotion we have to this thing. So he's talking about doing it again in December 2026, and I would love to be part of it.
Hey, this is Muriel Anderson, and the reason you should join me for the Guitar Cruise is it's about the most laid-back way you can do a guitar workshop. So new experiences, new friends, and I'm looking forward to it.
Hi, I'm David Rona, a Los Angeles-based session guitarist and instructor, and I'm raising funds to recreate the world's only guitar retreat at sea. My first event was the maiden voyage of the classical guitar cruise. And now, some years later, I'm rebuilding it to include flamenco, harp guitar, microtonal, and the electric guitar. Your tax-deductible donation will assist me in hiring a small staff to rebuild this bigger vision, bringing together the guitar community for a great cause. Because a portion of every ticket sold will benefit youth-oriented music programs. And this is something that I'm extremely passionate about in all my years of volunteering at-risk youth centers, as well as LA City Parks and Recs, and seeing the change that music can bring into the lives of many. I invite you and thank you in advance for your support of the Ultimate Guitar Cruise.
The Ultimate Guitar Cruise is a sponsored project of Fractured Atlas, a 501c3 nonprofit arts service organization.
When you support us, you're doing something incredible. You're not just funding an amazing event, you're supporting guitar music and giving to a great cause.
Visit ultimateguitarcruise.org for details.